Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have to apologize for my voice. I'm still a little bit sick as of filming this, but in today's video I wanted to try, as you can see, Glitter Lip Kit by Stay Golden Cosmetics. I thought this would be really fun for the holidays, so I thought we could give it a try and see if it's a hit or miss and how well it stays and all that good stuff. So yeah, wish me luck. The tips on here is to line your lips. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with a red one since it is red glitter. So a red liner. Alright, so we're already off to a great start because I had to use red lipstick instead of red liner because I don't have any. I thought I did, but I guess I don't. It shouldn't matter, right? It's the same thing. So opening the kit, we have the Gloss Bond, the little applicator, and then the red glitter. So according to the steps on the box, you're going to start with dry lips and apply the Gloss Bond one lip at a time. And then once the gloss turns clear, that's when you take the applicator and pat the glitter on. Whew. Cold still. So I'm going to try to get everything ready so I'm not like scrambling once the gloss is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and open the glitter carefully. And it says that you have to wet the applicator or dampen the applicator, so I suppose I should get some water. I think that's more just to pick up the glitter than anything else, but we are going to be as thorough as possible. Okay, so I'm going to take the Gloss Bond and start on my lower lip, and cross your fingers. I'm trying not to talk in case it's not dry. So immediately, it's obviously the Gloss Bond is like glue, so it really smells like glue. And it was hard for me to tell if it was clear or not, but I went ahead and did it. But this is really pretty. Oh, and yeah, I already spilled the glitter all over my desk, so that's great. Well, it definitely feels like glitter. A little bit. Let me go ahead, I'll grab a brush real quick and brush off some of the excess because I got a little bit messy. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I think this is super pretty. And I hope it's translating on camera because this is just gorgeous. Maybe I will turn down the light just in case. Pull a Jeffree Star. Oh god. Yeah, that's the key. Alright, so as far as looks go, I think this is just so pretty. Obviously, like, it's doing what it's supposed to. It's making your lips glittery. So as far as touch, it doesn't feel like coarse, but it feels fuzzy, kind of. Like, it's not uncomfortable or hurting, it's just kind of fuzzy if you press your lips together. Now I guess I could do a kiss test. You can see completely bare there. So I think I see just like 3 little flecks of glitter came off, so that's good. If you rub on it, more does come off. That might just be loose from the glitter, though. That might be my application. This probably isn't the eye look I would do with it. I just filmed my Jeffree Star Alien video, but I thought it would be maybe green and red would be a bit Christmassy, but I would probably wear something different with this look. But I think it looks really pretty. I think I'm gonna wear it to a party. It is a little bit messy. Obviously with glitter it will be messy, and I think that applying the glue for the first time, I think you're doing one lip at a time. I think you should do half of a lip of glue and then another half of glue, just because I feel like some areas I got a little too thin, but that's something you learn with application. This is my first time trying it, so I didn't expect it to look like perfect, but I think it turned out pretty good for the first time. Oh, did I not even mention the color? This is shade Burlesque from their glitter lip kit from Stay Golden Cosmetics, Burlesque. It's the brightest red. Otherwise they have like a whole bunch of different colors. They have a dark vampy red too. Now they also say to use an oil-based makeup remover, so I'm guessing you want to probably avoid like oily food, but it does say it's kiss-proof, swim-proof, turn-up-proof, so I imagine wearing this to like a Christmas party or New Year's Eve party would be perfectly fine, and as long as you're not like stuffing your face and getting it all over. As long as you're not stuffing your face with food and getting it all over your face, then you should be good with just drinking and all of that. So I guess that's it, guys. I think that this is a hit in my opinion. I don't think it's a complete fail, which I was a little bit worried that I would fail on it somehow because I just suck at application, but I think it's a hit, and I think that for Christmas or holiday or whatever you're doing this season, I think it would be a hit there too. So I will link down below the website. I'm not sponsored or anything, obviously. How many subscribers do I have? Come on. But I think it's really cool, so I will link them, and maybe you can get some of your own this holiday season. And also thank you guys for hanging around while I've been sick and busy, like with school and working full-time for the first time. I know I haven't posted any videos in a super long time, so thank you for hanging around, and hopefully you'll stay around and I will try to make more videos now. Thanks again so much for watching, and comment below what you think of this lipstick, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!